Importing a page from Canvas Commons to your course just takes a moment. From the home page in your course, select Import from Commons. Search for the page you want and select Import. Check all the CRNs or courses you wish to add the page. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click the blue button to import into course. Next, go to your CRN in which you imported the course. Select a module where you want to place it and click the plus sign to add. Select Page from the drop-down menu, find the page you wish to add. Click Add Item. Then, click and drag the page to where you want it in the module. Be sure to publish the page, and that's it. You're done. Congratulations!